My name is Peter Dallas. I'm a native-born American of Macedonian descent. I'm here in Skopje right now for the closing ceremony of Birthright Macedonia. It's our inaugural program, the first time we've launched the program, and I want to take a couple of minutes and just tell you what the program is all about. It's an effort, an international effort that we've developed to encourage overseas Macedonians to come to the country here for a period of 3 weeks during the summer months. And while they're here, they'll be involved in an internship work program, a program that is consistent with their educational goals, their career goals, and their general interests. And while they're here for the 3 weeks, they will be living with a host family, not relatives, but a family that they have no connection with before. One of the objectives of the program is to encourage our youth to come here and connect with native Macedonian youth so that they build friendships that hopefully will last a lifetime. The bigger objective of the program is to encourage our overseas youth to discover their heritage, to rediscover their heritage, or to discover it for the first time. In the next couple of minutes, I'll be interviewing each of our participants, and they'll be sharing their experiences in the past 3 weeks with you. Thank you.